Bab لا يقيم الرجل أخاه. لا يقيم الرجل أخاه. يقيم, make to stand, cause to stand. Meaning a man should not make his brother stand, meaning get up, يوم الجمعة, on the day of Friday, ويقعد في مكانه, to sit in his place. Meaning no person should do this. That he goes to the masjid, he makes somebody get up, please get up from here, or please move to the right, or please move to the left, and then he sits in his place. This is not fair. This is not correct. Why? Why? Okay, you never know why that person is sitting in that place. Okay. Being told to get up in front of everybody and move, I mean, that is something that's embarrassing. Remember that if it's for the purpose of perfecting the prayer, so for example, there are so many gaps in the front and people are sitting in the back, standing at the back, then there is no harm in encouraging people to go to the front, move to the front. But making somebody move and then taking their place, this is what? It's bad manners. It's not fair. It's very disrespectful. And many times people think that, because of their position or their age, they can do this. So younger children, move from here, get up from here, you go at the back. It's pride. All the servants of Allah in the masjid are equal. If somebody has any, honor, it's because of taqwa. Right? Yes, we should have respect for the people of knowledge, for the people of position, for the people who have been given authority above us. We should definitely have that position. But a person who has been given fadl should not, force people to respect him. If somebody gets up and makes space for you, that's their ihsan on you. But you should not demand that from people.
They don't let him sit in the front row because they say all their friends are going to come, they're going to come in that place. They say he mustn't sit in the front. Yeah. Or he's in his 40s and they are in their 60s or 70s. But she said every day the same problem. So now he stopped going to that masjid, he goes to another masjid.
SubhanAllah. Even in Ramadan, there are some children who pray Taraweeh, regularly, and they're young children, but they love to stand in the front and pray. But again, how are they treated? No children, in this row. Children have to be in the back. And the thing is that if children are not allowed to stand in the front and pray properly, how will they learn? Usually, the attitude against the mothers and mothers with young children is at the back, at the back, at the back. And what happens? All the children, they get together and they have a blast. And the mothers are praying. Whereas if every child is with the mother, then either the child will sit in one place, or sleep, or stand and pray. Right? But when all the children are, assembled in one place, then obviously, they're going to create a huge problem everywhere. I never understood this until I became a mother myself. Literally going to the masjid became very difficult for me. Because no matter where you go, women with children are sent to the back. And the same children who at home stay quiet when you're praying, what happens in the masjid? They start making noise. Why? Because everybody's talking, everybody's making noise. So, لا يقيم الرجل أخاه يوم الجمعة ويقعد في مكانه. حدثنا محمد قال أخبرنا مخلد بن يزيد قال أخبرنا ابن جريج قال سمعت نافعا يقول سمعت ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما يقول, he said, نهى النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم, the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم forbade this. أن يقيم الرجل أخاه, that a man should make his brother get up من مقعده, from his place of sitting, ويجلس فيه, and he sits in it. قلت لنافع, I said to Nafi, الجمعة, meaning this is about Jumua. قال الجمعة وغيرها. He said this applies to Jumua and also other prayers and other majalis. So whenever there is a congregation, it is extremely disrespectful that the person who has come early, who made a point, who put an effort to come early, to get a good place, and as soon as they sit there, you come and tell them to move. This is not correct. It's the house of Allah and everybody